my god. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. So in today's vlog, I decided we are gonna finally unbox all these boxes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing this because Matt's been stressing about all these boxes in front of the front door. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm like, you're stressing? I'm stressing. I got a bunch of PR packages because I have been gone out of LA for the last 30 days. I was actually living in Denver for a whole month. So if you guys haven't been watching the vlogs, you guys probably just didn't know that. That is why I'm doing the biggest PR box unboxing I've ever done. Make sure to stay tuned till the very end of this video because I'm gonna go calculate how much all this stuff is worth, and I'm gonna be doing a massive giveaway. With that being said, let's start doing the first box. First box, it's already opened. Whoa, these are cute. These are cute. I got 2 perfumes and they are not Daisy perfumes. They're called Perfect by Marc Jacobs. Oh my God. That is so cute. Okay, it actually smells really similar to Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Ooh, I like that. All right, first box. 30 more boxes to go. Next box, not even for me. This is for Mario, one of Matt's best friends who was staying here over the month, so making sure we give that to him. Okay, next box is actually a very heavy box. Says, Dear Tiffany, let us know what you think of our new sensitive range. This is from Gorgeous Hair and it's a ceramide rich hair and scalp mask. Ooh. Oh, okay, there's more stuff. There is the sensitive replenishing conditioner and the sensitive shampoo. This is such a pretty green color. Fucking cars, man. All right, next package is from Hourglass. I feel like Hourglass always catfishes me and it ends up being a package from Kate Somerville. Who is this package? I fucking said it. I said it. It is not Hourglass, guys. It is Kate Somerville. I love Kate Somerville though, so I'm not mad about it. What is this stuff? Kate Somerville came out with a bunch of products that have peptides and collagen in it, but this is their items. I got a total repair cream, firming serum, and a lifting eye cream. Hell yeah. So this next package is from Premier Press. Oh, it's Murad. Why did they send it through Premier Press? Normally they just send it through Murad. So this is an intense recovery cream. Oh. She's so perfect looking. That is perfect. Oh, she's thick. Matt would actually love this. And then they also gave us some gifts. Oh, incense. That is so sweet of you guys. And then I got a book. I'm gonna donate this book. This next package is the smallest package I got, and it's from Bite Beauty. Wow. Smallest package, but the hardest one to open. Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh. This is their new eyeliner. This is the packaging that it comes in. Okay, that's actually pretty nice. Next package is from Benefit Cosmetics. Whoa, what is this? Mascara? Oh, that's cool. The actual wand of the mascara is magnetic, so when you brush it up, it makes the magnets stay up. That makes a lot of sense. I see that now. Wow, okay, I'm really excited to try this. I used to have really short and stubby lashes, but now I've been using castor oil on my lashes for like the last 7 months. But with that being said, I can't wait to try out this mascara. Next product, Beauty Counter. Oh, okay, I've heard of Beauty Counter before. Matt's mom actually talks about Beauty Counter a lot. This is Make a Clean Swap with All Bright C Serum. This has 10% vitamin C and turmeric. That's amazing. I can't wait to try this. I'm actually in love with their packaging. So yellow. Adeline Moore and hello, this is like your new favorite brand. Next product is from Glow Recipe. Hell yeah. Their watermelon skin mist. Smells delicious. Oh. They gave me their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have like 4 of these. People who are working at Glow Recipe, you guys cannot send this to me every other month because I don't go through these fast enough. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. This is a new product. This is their Watermelon Body Cream. Oh my God, that smells like freaking watermelon candy. Oh, oh my God. That smells amazing. I smell like a piece of candy. All right, next box is from Philosophy. Guys, they came out with Purity Made Simple cleansers, but in different flavors or scents. This is their one-step facial cleanser with goji berry extract. And this one has charcoal powder. What can I do with this box? If I find myself a good box, I don't know how to throw it away. This is a good box. It's a decent sized box. I can put snacks in here. Like when I was a kid, literally like my mom would save tubs to put like other stuff in it. Like we would not buy normal Tupperware. Let me know if any of you guys relate to that fact. If you guys just came from a family that wasn't super well off, did you guys also just use Cool Whip tubs as like your Tupperware? I can't be the only one. All right, next box is, oh, okay. They wanted to say hello. These boxes are from Tarte. Tarte? Oh my god, for like the longest time, Tarte wasn't sending out any PR packages. They're one of my favorite brands I've ever worked with. They take care of their influencers and like their people and their team so well. Oh, it's from Pretty Faces. My best friends came out with a palette. My best friends came out with a palette. Alicia and Remy, my freaking wife, came out with their own Tarte cosmetic palettes. They've been literally working on this for like years now. I remember when they first mentioned that they were working with them. I think they've been working on this since 2019. It's 2021 now. I love this palette because it's very cool tone based, which is amazing because I know a lot of palettes out there are warm tone based. Oh my god, so it says Pretty Basic. Every time I see the words Pretty Basic, I think of their podcast. Ring, ring, ring. Pretty Basic. Ooh. Oh, that highlighter. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm gonna have a link to their palette down below so you guys can check them out. Also came with a little mascara and a little lip oil. And of course, the queens of PR packages. They did give out a bunch of other shit in here as well. It's not even shit, it's like good stuff. But we got some of Remy's favorites, Crystal Light. Oh, we have wine. This is so pretty. Beautiful packaging. It's so pretty, I don't want to open it. This is wine from One Hope. They gave us dresses? So random. Sparkling tequila lime. Oh my god. Definitely want to try this out. Oh my god, there's still so much more stuff in here, guys. Holy cow. So we also got some pajamas. Oh, these are soft. So I got a bunch of more Crystal Light, a bunch more candy. Thank you guys, Remy and Alicia. All right, so this package is from 12 NYC. Oh, it's from Revlon. Okay, so Revlon came out with a buffing foundation brush and a light cover foundation. I don't need more foundation brushes because I love the ones I already have. So I'm gonna be giving that in the giveaway pile as well. So thank you, Revlon, for sending that over. This next product is from Herbivore. They have literally amazing products. I think it's like their blue Tansy Oil I'm obsessed with. I've been meaning to buy it, but I just haven't. But their blue Tansy Oil is so good. What do we have in here? Guys, I was just talking about their blue Tansy Oil. They literally sent it to me. This is the fucking like epitome of just manifesting stuff you want in your life. I literally said blue Tansy oil and it happened. Can we just talk about how beautiful this bottle is? Like, I just want to put it out on my nightstand. I think they also sent me another product and I hope it's not because they accidentally sent me two of the same things. Okay, so I have the don't know how to say that. Bakuchiol Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. And I also have an Amethyst Facial Roller. I will be giving this to you guys. You guys would get better use out of that than me. We got another facial oil. This guy is $88. Holy cow, $88. But I will say their facial oils are amazing. All right, next box we got is a Fedex box from Peach and Lily. Oh my god, I love Peach and Lily. Ooh, I got a Transparency Pro Spot Treatment. This is what it looks like. It is a spot treatment. So if you guys have any dark spots, scarring from pimples and stuff like that, this is a really cool product to use. And then they also gave me a planner. Okay guys, we got a bunch more packages to go. I have no idea. This is like a never-ending cycle of PR packages. So this next package is from, oh, DP Hue. Welcome to the Hue crew. Apple cider vinegar rinse. I'm so excited about that. Oh my god, apple cider vinegar is so good for your hair. Not gonna lie, the smell is the worst smell ever. Okay, it kind of smells like apple cider vinegar still, but it's very subtle. And then we also have a gloss, unpigmented deep conditioner and gloss. I'm always scared to use pigmented stuff in my hair because I'm like, what if I fuck it up? And then my hairstylist is gonna be so mad at me. So thank you guys so much for sending these products over. Yay, I'm excited to use them. Next product is from Salon Perfect. Oh, those are like massive lashes. Those are beautiful lashes. Definitely lashes that I don't normally go for. I normally go for like very subtle lashes, but I do know whenever Callie does my makeup for like Instagram or like anything of that sort, she likes it when I use really crazy lashes. These are massive. But thank you guys so much. Another thing from 12. I think they sent me something else. So this might be another Revlon product. It is Revlon. Colorstay Satin Ink Lip Products. I'm gonna try one on my hand now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these products, except the one I just opened, because I don't normally like shiny products. Either I like glossy products, so like lip gloss, or I like very matte products. So this is kind of like in between. So I'm gonna put this in my donate pile. All right, next product we have is from Pim's New Jersey. Oh, it's Bumble and Bumble. Okay. We have Repair Styling Cream. Some of these products actually exploded in here, which is so sad. Ooh, okay. Some conditioner, shampoo, repair cream, and repair treatment. I'm actually really sad that all this stuff exploded in here. This is what they look like. It actually smells really nice. All right, this next box is from Drunk Elephant. I have no idea how I got lucky enough to be on the Drunk Elephant PR list. I know Lauren really loves Drunk Elephant products as well, so I'm definitely gonna share some of these products with her. Oh, they came out with hair and body products. Oh my god, this is made out of plastic bottles. Whoa, it's like a little bathrobe. It's kind of bright and fun and out there. We have a detangler, then we have a scalp scrub, body cleanser, body lotion, but we also have shampoo, conditioner, the tangle spray. Oh my god, this one is heavy. Oh my god! The Happy Planner? What? I used to buy these every single year from Target because I thought I was actually gonna use them, realizing I never use my planners, but like, you guys are making me want to use a planner again. So they gave me an 18-month planner, snap-in soft planner cover. Ooh, so you can change out the planner covers. I actually think this is really cute. Oh, they gave me two. One for me and one for you. One of you guys will definitely be getting one of these happy planners. I'm very excited for that stuff. Thank you guys so much. This is so sweet of you guys. I'm so happy. I don't know why I get so happy over planning stuff when, you know, not very good at planning. All right, with that being said, I have been looking forward to opening this package. It's from Perricone MD. What do we have? Oh, shit. Wow, they like went all out. Okay, this is a beautiful package of all of their cold plasma products. Every single inch of your body, they have a cold plasma plus product for you. Thank you guys so much for sending me these products. I'm actually really excited to use the next stuff. Next product we have is from, I believe, Poo-Pourri. Honestly, Poo-Pourri is like one of my favorite brands to work with. They're so easy to work with. Hell yeah, it is. All right, so we have the Royal Flush. This is lavender vanilla, original citrus, tropical hibiscus. I actually don't have this one, so I'm gonna keep this one. And then I already have dupes for the other scents, so that will be going to you guys. Thank you, Poo-Pourri. You guys are amazing. Can't wait to work with you guys again. Then we have, oh, we have Covergirl, okay. It says plant me and I grow. I love pieces of paper that are made out of like flower seeds. It's so cool. If you guys can see little tiny seeds are inside of this paper. We got some Lash Blast mascaras. What is this? Is this a reusable tote? It is. I am carrying this in my purse at all times. This is amazing. How did this fit in there? Oh, that like actually just stuffs in really easily. Okay, I'm carrying this in my car at all times. That is so cool. Oh my god, more seeds. That is really cool. So, next package is from T3, a hair dryer. Are you motherfucking kidding me? That is cool. All right, we got the sexiest little hair dryer I've ever seen. It is in the color white, so pretty. It's so little. Like, it's as small as my Dyson, if not smaller than my Dyson. That's actually so nice. Thank you guys so much. That is so nice. Okay, so we have Philosophy, it looks like. We got a little blend jet. I've always wanted to try one of these. These are like portable blenders. They're so little. I definitely want to use that. Thank you guys so much. They did give me a Nature in a Jar Skin Rehab Balm with wheatgrass. There's another product in here. This is the Skin Reset Serum. These are what the two products look like. Super cute. I'm excited to try out these products. Okay, so we have 4 packages left, guys. This is from Nectar. Oh my God. I was wondering why it smelled so good. Like one of these boxes smelled amazing. It's literally because of this box. So these are bath bomb or bath products. So we have a Waffle bath bomb. That is the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen. This is literally a Waffle bath bomb. I can never use this. It's too pretty to use. $10? That's it? They have other things as well. Candy Lips bath bombs. I actually do want to open all these up because they're so beautiful and I need you guys to look at how beautiful these are. This one's a little more simple. It's just a little bath bomb. These are like bubble scoops. So pretty. So I'm gonna keep some of these, but I also want some of you guys to like experience these as well. So I'm super excited for this. We got one last package left. I saved the biggest package for last. Dose & Co. Sounds like a weed brand. Let's see what it is. Is it a weed brand? I don't know. Oh, Khloe Kardashian? Did Khloe fucking Kardashian send me a package? Yes, she did. Pure collagen, unflavored collagen peptides. We have chocolate protein powder. Yum. We have dairy-free collagen creamer. Oh, for coffee and stuff. All right, guys, so that is everything that I got in today's PR box unboxing. Literally the biggest PR box unboxing I have ever done. Honestly, I hate that a lot of these boxes and plastics are going to waste. I'm gonna try to recycle as much as I can. Also, like I said earlier, today we are doing a massive giveaway. Everything that I know I'm not going to be using, I'm actually going to be giving away to one of you lucky winners. So I'm going to do one massive giveaway winner, guys. So if you guys want to learn how you guys can win all the stuff, of course you have to be subscribed to me. And then comment down below, what are you thankful for? And 3 bonus points if you guys follow me on Instagram, because I will be announcing the winner on Instagram just because it reaches more people on Instagram. Anytime I've ever announced a winner on my YouTube channel, like the winner never finds it or sees it. So I'm gonna announce the winners on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on that. So like this video if you guys haven't already. I love you guys so much. I need to start cleaning up this entire mess because Matt and I are about to watch the Grammys in like 5 minutes, so I gotta go. Bye guys, bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I've been lost in you.